Here is a Wright punch model 2611 used to manually punch IBM style punch cards. It is an electrically powered punch. Inside there is a motor and a clutch arrangement, and when you press a key it fires a clutch and punches that key, and you need to manually advance the carriage. So it's partially, electrically powered. Mostly electrically powered, but not fully. Okay, we can turn it on. Set a card in. Manually advance it. Turn it off. Pull our card out. And we have some punches. There's a little table here that shows you how to actually use it and what to punch for what symbols. Looks like it's basically working. It's pretty clean. But I'm not doing anything with punch cards anymore. So away it goes. Here's a close-up of the motor and clutch. When I press a key with a solenoid, the solenoid's this guy right here, pulls in a lever there, fires the clutch once.